go. Yes. See, that's the key.
Okay. Don't let go of the boat. You never let go of the boat. Meninga? That's what it's called, maybe. Gotta get this done before the sun goes down. Okay. You flip your foot around the top of your foot like this.
Okay.
See what it is?
Right.
This is why he said you don't want a lot of fancy gadgets on the front of your vest. Keep your head low, body low, center of gravity low. He said if you start to feel like you're going to tip, you tip towards your paddle float. Problem is the skirt gets hooked up